Good morning, Kettle Kids, and welcome to your Tuesday, June 15th, and today is National Megalodon Day. And what is a megalodon? Well, it's a really big shark.
Hello.
And I mean really big. When I say really big, I mean really, really big. We're talking about, if you see the little graph right here, the silhouette of the great white shark at about 15 feet in length, and then a human being at about 6 feet in length, being a relatively large person. You've got the megalodon at about 60 feet in length. That's about 10 times longer than a tall human being. And on top of that, much, and I mean way heavier and bigger. What do I mean by that? We'll check this little scale proportion out of a fossilized megalodon jaw and a human being standing inside of it. You get an idea of how truly huge these sharks were and how kind of terrifying they would have been in the ocean. Well, guess what? Not to worry about it. They died about 20 million years ago. So we've got plenty of fossils to go by from right there. And then, I'm sorry. They died about 3.6 million years ago, and they were dated back to 20 million years ago. So not to worry, that's quite a long time ago. But just to give you a true idea about this is a great white tooth as comparison to a megalodon tooth. And you can see a much, much bigger beast right there. And on top of that, they had to eat quite a lot. They had to eat about 3,000 pounds of food a day. A good way to describe that to you is basically a megalodon will have to eat about a huge brown bear fully grown every single day. That is quite a lot. And on top of that, they weighed a ton as well, actually 70 tons. They weighed as much as 10 elephants and were longer than a school bus. So just to really drum home how truly massive we're talking about here and how terrifying that would have been to run into in the water. Studies have also shown that the megalodon females would grow to about 143,000 pounds. The girls were the big ones. The guys were much, much smaller at 66,000 pounds, but that would still be quite the large shark. So you get an idea. So, we're all shark fans, I assume, for that Shark Week. So let's throw on those shark hats and really enjoy ourselves. That being said, let's put our hands over our hearts, find the flag in the room, and please rise for the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated. Okay, little shark fans, guess what? Let's talk about food today. The first thing on the menu actually really goes along well with our theme, which is a tuna fish sandwich, along with a Mac stuffed crust pizza, baby carrots with dressing, apple, and milk. Well, what's going on with the weather today? If you guys look out that window, I'm pretty sure you can be just as accurate as my forecast here, which is rain. This has been a rainy morning, and it will continue probably to be a rainy day for a good chunk of the day. The weather's been pretty unpredictable, though. The weather forecast changed very dramatically from, I believe it was yesterday, about a 25% chance of rain today to a 97% chance. That's because the cold air from the north above us in Canada really pushed down more unexpectedly than we thought and brought with it a weather band that perfectly crested right across the edge of the Great Lakes here and got that precipitation right on top of us. Happened around last evening, as you probably well know, and it's going to continue on through a portion of the day today. Well, don't fret too much because that means that we're going to open up into some gorgeous weather for tomorrow. High 71, bright and sunny day all day long. And that's going to get much warmer, but still fairly comfortable at high of 77 on Thursday with, again, a very slight chance of rain. But then the chance of rain has increased for Friday and Saturday, but the temperatures will stay relatively comfortable, topping out at 79 degrees on Friday. So today, enjoy the rain. We need a little bit of it anyways. It's going to be fine. And sometimes it's just nice to have that cloudy weather anyway. So anywho, let's finish up our announcements with the Kendall mission statement. The mission of the Kendall Central School District should provide knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes needed by students to live responsibly and to compete successfully in today's and tomorrow's world. Well, guys, I will get a chance hopefully to see you a little bit later in the week. We're getting really close to the end of the school year. And for you sixth graders, we got that graduation ceremony coming up on Thursday. So luckily the weather should cooperate. And if I don't get a chance to see you today, remember to stay colorful, Kendall.